high, but up more than 50 to 60 points from day's low. How do you take the market?
I think I'll take it optimistically. It's a Monday cheer for the market, and yes, absolutely in green. And a good start at least to the week, because it was quite a challenging week, the last one, and we were expecting, of course, this being a truncated week. Friday session on the occasion of 15th August is going to be a market holiday in Indian markets, but still we are starting it really well on the Monday session, 24,400 and above, at least trying to sustain that on Nifty. We see a green pattern in Bank Nifty as well, 160 points up at present. And the broader markets are also mirroring the benchmarks. If you see PSU bank space, yes, that's the hero sector for the day. And you should also consider that because, of course, owing to the news flows coming in from ICICI Bank, all the market participation eyes are now moving to the PSU bank space. Nifty PSU index almost up, and the top performing sector at present. And even other than that, all the sectors are doing really good at present, trying to contribute in the market. Of course, we see gains frizzling out a bit as well. But let's just be positive at present, and considering the major contributions, SBI, HDFC Bank, Tata Motors, L&T Kotak Bank are the larger players which are contributing in the market. And at present, on the flip side, it's ICICI Bank. Yes, the news flow is doing the rounds. Negative returns at present. Maruti, Bajaj Auto, Bharti Airtel, HDFC Life. These are the counters which are not performing, and the major laggards at present as we see. So, Kavita, this is the time where we touch base with the market expert and understand what should be the strategy next.
Definitely. And for that, we have with us Rajesh Bhosale, technical analyst, Angel One. Rajesh, hi. Good morning and welcome to the show. Afternoon, in fact, sorry. So, six straight declining sessions, six straight week of declinings that we saw in the market, and today hopefully we can say it's a good Monday, but then we started off above 24,500. Right now we are slightly below that level, but in a very range bound territory is where we are seeing the market moving. So what is going to be your immediate support levels according to you?
So hello Kavita ji. So yes, definitely Nifty is attempting to bounce back today. But last week we saw Nifty breaking below key support levels of 24,500. That has been acting as a strong base since May month. So crossing 24,500 again would be crucial because as long we trade below it, market may remain tentative. Because last week also Monday we had a strong start, but market fizzled out at the higher levels. So reclaiming 24,500 would be crucial. But having said that, since Thursday we are seeing that somewhere around 24,300 some kind of buying is happening, and on the early charts we are seeing a double bottom kind of formation. So for now we are seeing we are expecting in a truncated week Nifty may trade in a range of 24,300 to 24,500 as of now, and once we see a range breakout we can expect some momentum. So the ideal approach would be to focus on a stock specific action, because since market is in oversold zone, some counters may show outperformance.
Hi Rajesh, Ankur this side. So in this market, what should one do? Are there opportunities which you see in markets? And I also want to ask particularly on PSU banks, is there any pick after SBI numbers? The stock is also up more than 2% today.
Yeah, so hello Ankurji. Overall, PSU banks are showing strength, and all the major counters like State Bank, Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda, they are showing strength. In fact, one of the buy calls today is from my side is on the PSU banking space. So the counter which I am liking is Indian Bank. So if we compare it with the Bank Nifty or Nifty or broader markets, Indian Bank is showing strong performance. It is trading in uncharted territory. In fact, on the daily chart, we are seeing a consolidation range breakout, resumption of primary uptrend. So one can bank Indian Bank. Currently, it is trading somewhere around 662 with a 644 as a stop loss. We are expecting the stock to move towards the levels of 690 in the coming days. My second buy call is on Tech Mahindra. So IT space and this counter has been under pressure in recent times. But last week we saw Tech Mahindra forming a bullish engulfing pattern on the weekly chart. In fact, it formed this pattern on a weekly 89 EMA support and a key 50% retracement. So considering a strong pattern formation on a key support, we expect Tech Mahindra to perform. So with a stop loss of 1430, Tech Mahindra can be bought. We are expecting 1580 as a target in the near term.
Thank you for both of those recommendations and your views on the indices as well. So we have two trading ideas coming from Rajesh Bhosale. One is Indian Bank and Tech Mahindra. Now both the stocks are trading in green at present. If we see Indian Bank, the target price suggested by Rajesh is 690 with a stop loss of 644. At the same time, keep an eye on Tech Mahindra also. It's a buy strategy at present with target price of 1580. Maintain the stop loss of 1430. Thank you, Rajesh, for your recommendations. Let's move ahead and go across to Kanishka and understand what are the stocks and news on the exchanges during the session today. Good afternoon, Kanishka.
Good afternoon, Manti. Well, lots of stock-specific action.